Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be filming a pack with me for spring break YouTube video. This video is going to be coming up after spring break, even though I'm filming it before spring break just because kind of the timing is how it is. But I'm going to also be giving you guys some organization tips for when you pack for vacations or just anything. And some tips and tricks that I've learned. And yeah, it's going to be a pack with me video, and I think it's going to be really fun because I love watching these videos. I don't know if you guys do, but I absolutely love watching these pack with me videos. So we're going to try it out and see how it goes. So if you guys like the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe and comment down below if you want to see more of these videos from me. And what else was I going to say? So basically, I don't know if I'm going to be vlogging spring break. If I do, it's going to be more of a montage than a vlog. I just don't really know what we're going to be doing, so I can't give a full out view of what's going to happen. But there will probably be some kind of montage coming, so just look out for that. And that ends this intro. Let's get into the video. So the first tip I have for you guys is to wash your clothes the day before, because especially if you're going on a family vacation, everyone's going to be washing their clothes. And it's gonna be really messy, you know? And like, so I just don't do it right now because everyone washes their clothes this morning and I don't wake up till like noon, so I don't get to wash my clothes, you know? So wash your clothes the day before you leave. Wash your clothes the day before you pack. Yeah, that sounds better. Wash your clothes the day before you pack so that you can immediately start packing and not have to wait for other people to wash their clothes. And yeah, that's tip number one, okay? So we're off to the store. Because we need to go buy some travel size stuff. And so the next tip is to go to the store and buy Ziploc bags and stuff, because that will help you organize your clothes and organize everything else.
Oh, the Ziploc bags, they're to put all your toiletries in, you know, like your lotion and things like that. So there's just in case that it like spills all over. You don't want it to spill all over your clothes or anything good.
Which has happened many times.
And another tip, please make sure to pack extra panties. You know, at least 2 pairs per day or 3.
So those are some packing tips from my mom, which you should also take because they will help you. I found my paradise, guys. Travel size section. Okay guys, so basically we're in the car. I'm gonna give you a little update of what I got. We went to like 4 different stores trying to find baby lips, which is my favorite kind of chapstick. So I ended up finally going to CVS and we got this baby lips, which is fruit punch, and then we got the normal baby lips, which is like the sunscreen one. So I finally got them, which is good because I really wanted to get one. People are thinking I'm weird talking to myself in the car, but I got it, so yeah. Right now I'm about to go home. I still have to wash my clothes and stuff. Oh, another tip. Make a list of what you need to pack, because I'm dumb and I forgot to make a list, so now I have to start making my packing list on what to pack. But yeah, it's gonna be super helpful, especially if you have to pack some stuff in the morning, like your toothbrush and stuff. So just like make a list of what to pack and then pack that stuff in the morning that you have to use like in the morning, like to get ready, you know? And yeah, I will see you guys back at home. Okay, so we've arrived back home. I'm gonna show you guys a little haul of what I got from the store for packing. Let me take off these shoes first, you know? Okay, gotta get comfortable for the video, guys. Okay, so first we got this lotion, Cetaphil, since I needed more lotion, you know. And then we got toothpaste, because we got to get the Solid Crest brand. We got some more different gel, which you guys saw in my other video. And I got some earbuds, Target brand, and a squishy thingy. So okay, I'm gonna try these earbuds because I don't know if I gotta tell you the story, but maybe I'll make a story out of this actually, but it's not gonna be in this video. Basically, I lost my AirPods that I had, and I don't think I'm getting them back. So I bought some different wireless. I bought some cheap wireless earbuds to help me in the meantime as I suffer through this loss emotionally and mentally and whatever else. So here they are. They're blue and they're like this little thingy. I don't even know, how do you wear these? Do you go like around your neck like this? I think they do. Here we go, guys. Alright, this is what I'm gonna have to do for now since I don't have any other wireless earbuds, so this is just gonna have to work for now. I mean, it's not bad. I just want some wireless earbuds. That's all I want. So I'm gonna try to connect these. Okay, so we're gonna start packing since most of my clothes finished. I have a giant basket of clothes right here, and then I also have some clothes in my closet. I don't have much room here. This is my suitcase. It's just like gray. It's normal, you know. It's not too extravagant. You don't need to be extravagant. That's not necessary, okay? Okay, so I usually start packing like day by day. So I'll do like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or how many long I'm staying. That's just how I like to pack. I feel like it's a lot easier that way. So I'm gonna go and plan out my clothes that I'm gonna wear. So I start with like what I'm gonna wear tomorrow night, and I'll also lay out what I'm gonna wear like on our way there, because we're not going on a plane, we're going in the car. That's great. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go pick out my clothes. I was gonna show you guys my clothes, but I think I'm gonna do like OOTDs like every day and show you guys instead. So leave that as a surprise. Okay, so now that I've finished like my regular clothes, like the daily clothes I'm gonna wear, I'm gonna go ahead and put in the clothes that are like, my dog is just peeping through the door. Oh, precious. I'm gonna put in like the stuff like my underwear, bras and socks and all that good stuff. Okay, so next I'm going to put in my extra outfit. It's an outfit that I have sometimes when like I don't want to wear a certain outfit when I'm on my trip and I want to wear a different outfit, and I can just throw on that outfit and not worry about having to wear that other outfit. So we're gonna do that now. I'm sorry the camera's tilted. It's like my tripod. The tripod's not working right with me right now, but I can't really fix it since I'm also trying to pack and make a video at the same time. You know, I don't have time for that, so deal with it. But yeah, so basically next I'm going to put in my, there's someone walking outside. Oh, they have a dog. So I'm gonna put in my swimsuits and stuff. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put in my shoes. So guys, I basically just fit 3 pairs of shoes in here. We have flip-flops, Adidas, and these are like high top Vans. I'm low-key proud of myself since like it took me a little bit to get them in here, but I got them in there and I'm very proud. So as far as my toiletries go, I can't pack most of them until tomorrow morning since I'm going to be using them like getting ready in the morning and all that. But what I'm going to pack my contacts, and I'm getting 5 pairs. Technically I only need 4 pairs, but I want to bring extras just in case I lose some or something. And I should know which one is right and left, but I am going to label the bag right and left just in case, because we don't want to put in these wrong. Next I'm going to go ahead and bring my Mario Da Vinci spray. I'm just going to bring one of them because the other one I'm going to use tonight also. Well, I'm going to bring them, but I'm not going to pack them right now, you know? So this is like, I make a list of everything I need to pack in the morning so that I can get it all in the morning. So most of my toiletries I won't be packing tonight, but I'll making a list and packing it in the morning. So that's gonna have to be all for today, guys, since I don't have anything else that I can pack tonight. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up and subscribe, and follow me onto my social medias that will be linked down below, and I will see you guys in the next one, which will most likely be my vacation montage. So bye.